What began in 2011 as a small yet passionate initiative has grown into a trusted name in curated corporate and personal gifting, serving 2,000-plus clients and countless individuals across India. 500-plus trusted suppliers across India. Direct ties with leading brands. Exclusive imported products. Custom solutions at scale.
Welcome to our showroom, where every memento tells a story of achievement and recognition. Specialize in premium mementos and awards designed to celebrate success, milestones, and professional excellence. Let me take you to another part of our showroom, where customization truly comes to life. For customized t-shirts and apparel that are perfect for corporate events, team branding, and promotional campaigns. Explore customized corporate gifts that make your brand stand out every day. Products can be customized with your company logo, colors, and messaging, tailored to your brand needs.
Every gift tells a story. Let yours speak volumes. At Petra, we believe gifting is not just a transaction, it's a meaningful gesture that speaks on behalf of your brand. Whether it's appreciating employees, celebrating milestones, building lasting client relationships, or acknowledging key contributors, our curated solutions leave a lasting impression.